Can I get to the yams? Sweet yams, show me the way. Jeez. Jeez. Bro fought them demons. I like her the most. What's her name again? I always forget. They need to die. Get the fuck out of here. You're not gonna just die? Kobeni and Arari. Skill issue. As they should! Psycho bitches! Ew. This show looks so good. Look at her, bruh. I like her eyes. I just imagine Pochto was like the biggest menace before he met. Did Makima know Pochta? Were they homies? Maybe. That was a cool transition. What was that? Who was running? Goofy ass run? Who the plug walking out the fucking front of the restaurant? Bro is alive. Cap. She is like a cat. Oh, of course. The way she's stabbing the sushi. I don't like her. She's just stabbing that shit. Real. Huh? A juicy one. What? What? Why the f? What? Why would he trust you, mothers? Oh god. Bro's being groomed. He's still real for that. Damn, bro. I thought bro was at least 35. Bro has been through it. Damn, why is she so on him? She down bad. Down horrendous. Man, shut your ass up, dude. No. She's annoying. Hey, sisters! Damn! Those poor... I was gonna say those poor parents, but they chose to have that many kids, I guess. Damn! Bro, goddamn! I don't know how to feel about this. Everyone! Don't do it! She's infected! It's supply and demand. Since everybody has been supplied the kiss, it makes the demand for it less. Ew! Bro playing mental gymnastics to kiss both of them. Dude, I don't like her. I don't like her because my being wants to like her, but I can't. She's always lurking. Who does he choose? Bro trying to figure out if he wants to be groomed by eye patch lady or groomed by red hair lady. She's so weird. She's so weird. She's so real for that. At least 4. Real. Real. I'm watching a crime! This is criminal activity! Is that a tongue? Bro, Pochita would be fucking ashamed, bro. Pochita would be ashamed. He gave you another chance at life for what? For what reason? To get thrown up in your own damn mouth and swish it around like some damn mouthwash? What is that? Bro, ew. Give me the damn woman who won't flush her own shit, bro. Power's better, bro. Everybody is just nasty. Look at that dude. Bro, I miss Pochita. Bro, I'm gonna throw up. Bro, I'm fucking crying, bro. This shit is disgusting. Bro got groomed and thrown up in. Throw up literally entered his mouth, bro. Bro, ew. Ew. POV, you're literally me when you see Kobani enjoyers in the comment section. I don't want to watch this show right now. Why is she so like, ooh woo, I'm so kawaii now? Like, shut up. Bro's going to get back to back, man. That's so nasty. Get that shit away from me. What is she doing? Is she on top of him? Bro, stop, baby, bro. Ass! You brought him here, you groomer. You groomer? Go work at PetSmart, you damn groomer! He's intoxicated too! She just fed him alcohol! Maybe if you want to throw open his fucking mouth, he would take you. Bro, what are you doing? What is going on? What? Bro, I'm looking at criminal activity. God damn! Ow! Ew, bruh. Himeno is best girl, but ew. Ew.